Hello, I'm Vanessa Orr, the BINA Program Administrator, and along with my colleague Nikki Biley, the BINA Program Coordinator, we will introduce you to BioImaging North America, who we are as an organization, what we're doing, and how you can get involved. BINA was founded in 2018 as a US-based nonprofit to serve the bioimaging community of Canada, Mexico, and the US, and to collaborate with our counterpart network organizations around the globe. Our website, bioimagingnorthamerica.org, recently underwent a major overhaul. Here we'll talk you through the site as a way to share what we are doing, where you can go to find out more information about our activities. Our homepage shares our vision, and you can find out more about the scientists behind BINA on our About page. We are a growing community of over 850 scientists interested in light microscopy research. Our membership is free and open to anyone. You can see our members are 75% US based, with 11% from Canada, 4% from Mexico, and 10% representing members from 30 additional countries. Our membership is also primarily from academia, with 11% coming from industry. The chart at the bottom right shows most of our members are involved in core facilities, either as directors or staff, primarily in academia. We also have good representation from faculty, graduate students, and postdocs. Our working groups are all volunteer-based and are made up of members of the BINA community. There are currently 6 working groups focused on efforts in and around communications, corporate partners, diversity, equity, and inclusion, image informatics, quality control and data management, and training and education. BINA frequently collaborates with other regional networks and global networks to strengthen the community and foster connections between scientists around the globe. We engage and encourage participation of our members through a number of traditional communication tools shown here, including a monthly newsletter and frequent Twitter posts. We often use feedback polls at our events to encourage audience participation and solicit community input. Most of our events are held virtually or hybrid to enable as broad a participation as possible. Some upcoming events for 2023 are listed here on the right. We also have a metrology suitcase program, which provides equipment and protocols for QC and standardization of confocal instruments. Our professional development program provides financial assistance to participate in microscopy courses, and our exchange of experience program supports facility visits for skills development and exchanges around technologies, image analysis, or core management. All of these activities can be found under the Activities tab on our website. To become a BINA member and receive updates on all of our upcoming events via our newsletter, go to the Join button on the far left. Our newsletter goes out every third Thursday of the month.
Hi, I'm Nikki Biley, the BINA Program Coordinator. So under the BINA Events section on the Activity tab, you'll find links to all our upcoming events and a tab for past events. Some recent upcoming events such as our user group series, speaker series, and our offerings for core facility professionals are featured in this slide, but check the web link shown here for the latest information. Under the Community Events section of the Activity tab, you'll find a searchable list of microscopy-related conferences, workshops, and meetings. The information for this resource is from a global community-driven database effort called Microscopy DB. This effort enables partner network organizations like BINA and Canada Bioimaging to display the database content on their own websites in either an API-driven format, like on the BINA site shown here on the right, or more easily implemented via this card format shown on the left in the Canada Bioimaging site example. Next, we have the BINA Initiative section, where you'll find details about the metrology suitcase and professional development programs mentioned earlier. We'll also shortly be rolling out more details about our in-person exchange of experience opportunities. So make sure to keep an eye out for those as they come out. Finally, under the activity section, you will find details about our image contest, which we hold annually in October. The microscopy images featured on our website and in our media are all from past contest entries. Next, across our website navigation bar is our Core Facility tab. Here you'll find a map of the BINA Core Facility members who have submitted their details to the database. You can search here to find specific technologies, and soon you'll be able to identify facilities that have indicated that they are willing to host exchange of experience visits, instrument demos, and or participate in collaborations. If you're a BINA member with a core facility, you can increase the exposure of your facility by listing it here. We also provide a link to the RMS Global database if you want to submit your facility to that database and get even broader exposure for it. Our Resources tab is where you'll find two searchable databases, one containing links to training and education materials, and the other providing information and links to a wide variety of microscopy-related job postings in industry and academia. Both databases are being powered by Microscopy DB to provide a comprehensive view of these offerings as possible. If you have training resources or jobs to share with the community, you can share them through our website and they will go directly then into the Microscopy DB database. So when you share via links on the BINA page, it goes into this database and not only displays on our website, but on the website of a growing number of partner network organizations like Canada BioImaging, German BioImaging, and the African BioImaging Consortium. If you want to learn more about this community-driven effort, please visit the microscopydb.io website and use this QR code to learn more. And finally, I would like to close with a big thank you to the Chen Zuckerberg Initiative. Without CZI financial support, many of the BINA programs would not exist. And we are also grateful for the support of our Platinum and Gold sponsors listed here and on our website under the sponsor section on our About tab. If you aren't already a member, then use the QR code at the bottom of the screen or the link provided in the description to visit our site and join. You'll be first to hear about upcoming events as well as opportunities for networking and training. Thank you for your time.